Let's do this.
John, how excited are you?
I'm kind of excited. No, I'm really excited. This is going to be great.
We're the first ones in, John.
We
Look
were.
at the crowd behind us.
I know, right? We better hurry up before we get
These
stampeded.
beautiful RVs just waiting for us to review them for you. This is awesome.
Can someone out there recommend a Prevost so I can go in one of these?
We are looking for a new Class A diesel. Prevost, if you want to sponsor us for one,
Oh, yeah.
we would gladly take one on the road for you
Yeah.
and show it to all of our viewers.
We really don't mind.
Because there's no way we're getting it on our own. So if you were wondering where all of the YouTubers stay and where all of the vendors stay, take a look over there. This is one section. This is where they tend to put all of the vendors. You cannot beat the proximity to the fairground entrances. Plus, we were able to check in on, when did we check in, John?
Yesterday. Sunday.
Yeah. Now, when we checked in, we saw a really cool camper. So next, we're gonna walk you over to that camper that we saw.
Oh, they'll love this.
It's called the Rusty Bus, and it's actually a wrap, and I believe it's on a Fleetwood. I don't know what kind of...
Yes, it is a Fleetwood.
It's a Fleetwood Discovery,
Yes.
and it's
Discovery.
definitely not this old. Let me show this to you. You know how some campgrounds have this rule that
Right.
you can't be older than 10 years? I'd love to pull in with something like that. We're at the State Fair campground, and look at who just stepped in next door to us. It is our not so perfect life.
What's
Say hi, guys.
What up?
These guys are awesome. So we were like, oh my gosh, AmpedToGlamp. Yes.
Dude, I'm amped to Tamp. That's what I'm amped to Tampa. That's what I am ready to do right now.
Guys, tell them about your channel.
Geez, shenanigans.
Our not so perfect life. That kind of says it all. Because you know what? Life isn't perfect.
Yeah.
And we're not perfect either. And so we're just kind of documenting our adventures and sharing that not so perfect life.
Yeah.
So I guess you guys can see why we love them so much. They are so much fun, so check them out. They are playing my favorite song. Want to dance, John? As he takes off. John's like, I don't dance. So it is the third day at the Florida RV Super Show, and John and I haven't talked very much about it. We've been so busy reviewing the RVs on the list that we have forgotten to stop and just kind of take a look and enjoy ourselves. And one of our viewers, they told us that. They said, guys, you've been through a lot. You need just to enjoy the show. So,
Oh, we're busy. It's a work trip.
well, it is kind of, but we have had a rough time. You know, we do need to enjoy ourselves a little bit. So we're headed over to Phoenix, but on the way there, we're gonna stop and check out some of the entertainment and look around and maybe even look at an RV for ourselves.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
A diesel pusher.
All right, we'll put all this stuff together in a video and we'll send it off to you.
Singing sweet songs, a melody pure and strong. This is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing.
Monica, how you doing? How you doing? Yeah, that's exactly. We have had such a fantastic time. It's Saturday. Yes, I know we weren't supposed to be here on Saturday, but we had to get some things fixed on our bounder.
Yeah.
What else is
Again.
new? So, anyway, this is our last morning here. We're getting ready to head out. We had such a great time. We had a wonderful time meeting all of you. We were just so happy, and those of you that we didn't get to meet, don't worry, we'll have another opportunity to meet you. We are still working on planning a meetup with you. So just stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much. We really appreciated all your support during our live stream, especially when our live stream failed.
Oh, yes.
And
That was fun.
I know, right? And we've already been researching a microphone for John.
Hey.
I really thought he would have used that Marine Corps issued voice, but he didn't, so. Will you give us a hoorah?
Hoorah.
Give us a real one.
Hoorah.
All right. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much, and we look forward to getting out all the different videos for you. And just so that you know, we did find a leisure travel van. There was only one, and I searched in the rain, and I found it finally in the Mercedes section of the show. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Happy trial. Happy travels, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.